Hey, how's it going everyone? Luis Brian here. This video is a little bit different than the rest. You normally see me testing new tech at the studio, but today we're on the road. I made my way to the lovely state of Arizona. We're gonna check out the Grand Canyon, then make our way down to Vegas. And I brought along this little gadget right here, the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And along with the trip, I'm gonna do some real life testing and, pretty much use all the different features and find out how this could benefit me and maybe you if you, plan on getting this phone. And I'm gonna check out, the benefits of having a tablet and the phone in one piece, the camera, and all the different features. So let's get to the video. Hope you enjoy. One of the main things I do want to talk about and just get it out of the way is that having a massive screen is super helpful. By just being on the road, you can watch YouTube and still have your maps open at the same time. And having a big screen when you're watching, videos or movies is very immersive, and having your headphones is just a great experience in general by having that big screen. And since we're walking here in the trails, I could use that big screen as my whole, as my map. Right there you can see everything in detail, scroll everything very well with the 120 hertz display as well. So big screen, 120 hertz, it's amazing. Even in direct sunlight, you're still able to properly see the display, of course on max brightness. But most phones, you have to cover your hand over the screen to be able to look at it. But this one, you can look at the screen in direct sunlight. And as time goes by, more apps are going to be optimized for the fold by having different layouts in the app. By folding it halfway, it's going to look a little bit different. For example, on YouTube, when you fold your phone halfway, you're going to see half of the display showing the video and the other half showing the recommended videos and the comment section. So now that we're here sightseeing, let me show you some examples of photos and videos that I shot here. Let me know what you think. This is how the video quality looks for the cover screen's camera. I think it's pretty good. I'm recording in 4K. The stabilization looks good right now on the screen. Let's see how it looks on post. Right now I have direct sunlight in my face and the HDR is handling it very well. Hopefully the microphone's good. And now I could switch over to the back camera while recording a video. And this is how this looks like. Look at this quality right here, the sharpness. Very colorful, true to life. And this is the ultra wide camera right here. So ultra wide, the main, and then this is the telephoto lens. It's 2x, but I could go all the way to 10x. After checking out some of the videos and photos that I shot here with the Z Fold 3, I gotta say I am very impressed with 4 of the cameras. This phone does have 5 cameras, 3 in the back, 1 on the main screen and 1 on the cover screen. And the ones in the back, the standard ultra wide and zoom, those all perform very well, accurate colors. I gotta say the sharpness and the HDR quality on all of these lenses are very good. The selfie camera on the cover screen, which is going to be this one right here, is also very good. I think I like it even more than the iPhone. So definitely pretty good. But the only camera I don't like is this main screen one. Samsung wanted to be innovative and have the camera under RGB pixels. Now it's pretty cool when you're watching content, you don't see that camera in the way there. It's going to be hidden by the screen. But when you're taking photos, it's not going to look that good. It's going to look a little bit of foggy, and it does try to, fix it in post by taking the fog out, but it doesn't have that good of sharpness, color. So don't really recommend this camera unless use it for quick video calling. But besides that, all of these other cameras are top notch. So I made it here to the hotel here in Las Vegas, Bellagio, and I wanted to test out the water resistance here on the phone. So I'm gonna go into the water and test it out. So yeah, that was kind of an awkward shot there, but as you can see, the water is resistant to any splashes, so if you bring it to the pool, you're not gonna have any issues. Hey, so I just got out of the pool, gonna get changed and go out for a walk at night here in Vegas. And I'm testing out another feature here. Another cool thing that you can do with this phone, because it has a screen in the front, is you can have, a little viewfinder here. So if you are recording someone or trying to take a picture of someone, they can see how they look. And let me test out another feature that I really like. Now say you don't want to use a selfie camera to record or take pictures. You want to use the main cameras. So you just open the phone up and you have the cover screen as your viewfinder, and you're using these main cameras right here. This is like the best video quality you could get while having the viewfinder right in front of you on a smartphone. I find this extremely useful, especially when I'm recording YouTube videos. Sometimes I don't know how I even look like, but right here I can position myself right in the middle and it just works. Now let's go out for a walk. So I'm back after a really long day, and I'm really impressed with the battery life of this phone right here, let alone handling 5G in a very populated city. Having 2 screen panels, 5 cameras is able to, withstand the whole day with me. And I still have 21%, so it could last me a couple hours more, but this battery is very impressive given it has a lot of components and features built into this very thin form factor right here. You're already gonna have the wireless power sharing. Right now I'm under 30%, which is the minimum in order to have that activated. But what that means is that you could charge other phones by just laying it on the back of the Samsung phone. So you could power up other devices. It's not gonna be the fastest, but it's good for emergencies. So it has that additional feature. It also has stereo speakers, one on each side, on top and bottom. This has Samsung DeX. What that means is that if you plug in a USB to HDMI going into a TV or a monitor, you can make this little phone right here into a working computer. So it doesn't really show all the desktop apps. It pretty much just shows your phone apps on your TV. So if you're writing a quick Word document, you can pretty much get that done by connecting this to a TV or monitor. So overall, I definitely recommend this phone. It has good screens. One's gonna be glass, one's gonna be plastic on the inside. I feel like it could last a lot of, folding and unfolding for years to go. And yeah, I mean, unless you don't take care of it, I think this is gonna last you a pretty long time. It takes great photos, great videos. It has amazing battery life. And Samsung just likes to pack all the features into their flagship smartphones. So really do recommend, only if you're willing to spend $1,800, which is right now the regular price for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. But besides that, you're gonna have an amazing experience, especially if you go on a trip just like I did. And there you have it, guys. Let me know, did you get the phone? Are you thinking of getting it? Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos. It's been Luis Brian. Till next time. Peace out.